I am Professor J.P. Shukla, and today we will discuss about the some applications of trigonometry. That is the chapter number 9 of class 10th maths. First we will discuss about some basic information about the application of trigonometry. The trigonometry is broadly used to find the distance and heights of various objects. Application of trigonometry is very important chapter, and the trigonometry is used broadly to find the various distances of large objects. So now our question number 4 of exercise 9.1 is that the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So first we will draw the diagram according to given problem, and after that we will apply the trigonometry and we will find the unknown value, that is the height of the tower in this problem. Suppose AB is the tower and B point on the earth or our base. Let's see is the point on the ground, and it is given that the angle of elevation from the top of the tower is 30 degree. So now we will join the C and B, that is our base or also called horizontal level, and this angle is 30 degree. It is given in our problem, right? And which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower, and this point is also 30 meters away from the foot of the tower, means the distance CB or BC is 30 meters. It is given. So this is the figure of the given problem, and now we have to find the height of the tower. So let it is x meter, right? So first we will assume that the unknown value, let the height of the tower is x meter. And now see that in the problem we have to find the x unknown value, and by using the known value 30. So we will use here trigonometry in right angle triangle ABC, because angle B is the right angle triangle. So we must apply the trigonometry in right angle triangle. So here we will take known value upon unknown value, ratio of known and unknown. So here known value is 30 meter, that is base BC. First we will write the BC, and also unknown value is AB, which is the height of the tower we have to find. So take AB, and now see that BC by AB, so base by perpendicular. You remember student our formulas, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole, right? So that is the sine, that is the cos, that is the tan theta trigonometrical ratios. Now here see that we get B by P, base by perpendicular. So base by perpendicular is the reciprocal of the third one, and third one is the tan. So we will take here cot, that is the cot theta, and our theta is the angle 30 degree, right? And the value of cot 30 degree we will find by using the trigonometrical table. So now this is the equation, and putting the value of base and P, our base is 30 meter and perpendicular is unknown, that is x equal to cot 30. So by trigonometrical table the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we will take here the reciprocal of tan 30, that is root 3, because tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Therefore the value of cot 30 degree is root 3. And now on simplification we get, take here 1, now cross multiplying them we get 30 is equal to x into root 3, so that is x root 3. So we get the value of x equal to 30 by root 3, and also we must simplify, because in the denominator the root 3 is coming. So multiply this value by root 3 and root 3 in the numerator and denominator. So we get 30 root 3 in the numerator, and upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. And after cancellation, 3 1 ja 3, 3 10 ja 30, we get 10 root 3 meter. Right? So that is our final answer. So we will write here the value of x equal to 10 root 3 meter. So height of the tower x equal to 10 root 3 meter. That is the basic problem based on the applications of trigonometry, and after that we will take some more problems based on this topic. Now next question I am taking, that is question number 10 of the exercise 9.1. The question is that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and distances of the point from the poles. So dear student, this is very important problem based on the application of trigonometry. So first we will draw the figure, and after that we will solve this problem. So in the problem we have given two poles of equal heights are standing to opposite each other. Suppose this is first one, give the name that is AB, and second one is the CD, and join their ground points, we get the width of the road. It is given the width of the road is 80 meter wide. So that is the 80 meter, and also given in the problem from a point between them on the road the angles of elevation. So take any point on the road, suppose that is O, and angle of elevation from the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. So joining AO, we get the angle of elevation that is 60 degree, and second one is the 30 degree. So this is the diagram of the given problem, and in this problem we have given the height of the both poles AB and CD are equal. So I am writing here, given that AB equal to CD, that is given. So first we will take the triangle ABO, right? So in triangle ABO, we will apply the value tan 60 degree, because angle of elevation is 60 degree. So we must use here tan 60 degree equal to, and tan theta we know that is P by B, perpendicular by base. So it is P by B. So in triangle ABO, the perpendicular is AB. So write down the value of AB, and base is BO. Right, and tan 60 degree from the trigonometrical table is root 3. So I am writing here the value of tan 60 is root 3 and equal to AB by BO. And after cross multiplication this, we get BO into root 3 equal to AB. Therefore the value of BO is AB by root of 3. So write down this equation number 1. And similarly we will take the second triangle. So in triangle, that is ODC, and also taking the tan theta, and theta is 30 degree angle of elevation. So tan 30 degree is equal to P by B, perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular is also CD. So write down CD upon base, base is OD. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3 from the trigonometrical table, and equal to CD as it is upon OD. And we will find the value of OD in terms of BO. So write down the value of OD. So it becomes 80 minus BO. Why? Because whole distance is 80 meter and we want to only OD. So subtracting BO from 80, we get the value of OD. So taking this value, OD is 80 minus BO, right? And our BO is AB by root 3, right? So putting this value of BO from equation 1 in this equation, so it becomes 1 by root 3 equal to CD upon 80 minus BO. So 80 and minus BO, BO is AB by root 3. Okay, this is the in the denominator. And after multiplication, we get value of CD into root 3 is equal to 1 into this whole bracket. So we get 80 minus AB by root 3. Transfer the AB by root 3 from right to left side. We get CD into root 3 plus AB by root 3 equal to 80. And here in this equation, the CD and AB are coming, and in the problem we have given the AB equal to CD. So we are taking here in place of CD equal to AB. So this becomes AB into root 3 plus AB by root 3 equal to 80. And take the AB as whole common from both the terms. We get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 equal to 80. On simplification, AB as it is, take the LCM 1 and root 3, that is root 3. So it is root 3 into root 3, 3 and plus 1 equal to 80. And this becomes AB into 3 plus 1, 4 by root 3 equal to 80. So dividing this 80 by this 4, we get AB by root 3 equal to 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 0, that is 20. So this gives AB equal to root 3 into 20 or 20 into root 3 by cross multiplication. So we get the value of AB 20 root 3 meter. So height of tower AB is 20 root 3 meter and also CD is 20 root 3 meter because AB equal to CD. It is given. And also we have to find the distance from the center point of the both poles. So our diagram, you remember that this distance is 80 meter wide and here our middle point or midpoint between the poles. So, and it is our tower AB and that is CD. So we have also find the value of OB and OD, right? So now the value of OB we can easily find over from equation number 1. So from equation 1, BO equal to AB by root 3 and our AB is 20 root 3 by root 3. So root 3 will be cancelled. We get value of BO is 20 meter, right? So we got it, the value of BO is 20 meter. So obviously OD is 80 minus 20. If we subtract the value of BO from whole value 80, so we get 80 minus 20, that is 60 meter. So therefore value of OD is 80 minus BO, that is 80 minus BO is 20 meter. So we get the 60 meter. So distance from the point O of the poles, both the poles are 20 meter and 60 meter respectively, and height of the both poles are 20 into root 3 meter. So this is the final answer of the problem. So thank you so much.